Welcome everybody. My name is Martin. Here is Game Dev Garage. I'm making game development tutorials and sharing devlogs in this channel. And I'm a game developer. I'm making games more than 5 years. So this channel supports my game development projects and also supports you with tutorials that I'm sharing here. So thank you for joining me in this video. So today I'm gonna work on my game that I started 5 years ago, which is SpaceKraft. Steam page link in the description if you want to check it out. So I want to add a small feature to this game to be able to record marketing videos easily. So let me share my screen here. So here is the game. Actually, you can fly with a spaceship. This is a relaxing game. There is no pressure when you are playing with this game, but it's not easy to play. So you should be a master in time. So here, for example, I can move a Dozer in space with this small but yet small yet strong spaceship. So this is really interesting kind of game. If you like to play the demo, check links in the description. So please add it to your wish list. It's live on Steam right now. Demo is live on Steam. So I'll finish this game in a few months, hopefully. Please subscribe this channel to follow the development of this game and other projects I'm working on. So thank you for joining me. Yeah, so normally the problem is actually I think we have really great gameplay with this game, but I think we are unable to show it effectively on Steam. So let's check out the Steam page. Here, yes, it is. Welcome, welcome, come in. So this is the Steam page, and we have a trailer here. It just shows important parts of the game, but I want to add GIFs here. Okay, so when we record GIFs, this is a space game, and in most of the scenes we have half of the screen is empty. So I want to be able to frame this view after a video editor. So I need to have shortcut to adjust my camera just for recording purposes. This is not going to be a feature in the game, but maybe if we find it useful, we can keep it in the final game also. But I want to add a shortcut. For example, maybe I can use C in the keyboard, and when I hit the C, I want the camera will be a wide angle, look further away. So I can record in high resolution in my screen, then I can crop the video and get the exact part I want to show you. So here, actually, maybe if you go that way. Whoa. So I'm playing this game more than 5 years, so I became really great pilot. So you should definitely check it out. Check it out. So let's think about that. We are trying to lift this, but here, you see we are all in black. Okay, the background becomes completely black. So I want to show. Maybe we can add two features. One is making camera wide angle or narrow angle, and the other shortcut is keep camera static. Okay, because sometimes static camera shows the action better. Okay. Oh, that was cool. So yes, this is today's challenge for me. Please check links in the description, guys. This game's demo is live on Steam. This is my first ever made game. I started 5 years ago and paused because of some reasons, and now I refocused on this game to finish in a few months, hopefully, with your support. Please add this game to your wishlist. So I'm counting wishlists every day. Okay, this is really important for me. So I will just check the game scene because this is the main scene that has some setup, but not the actual gameplay scene. For example, we can work on, actually, which was the level we were playing last? Let me check it out. Arcade, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, yes, 6 levels. So here is the rocket booster levels. Okay, this game made on Cocos Creator, very old version of Cocos Creator, 1.9.3 version, but it works well, really well. So where is our spaceship? You can see actually the game has 360 layout. Actually, we have some kind of real gravity on this game. So this planet has its own gravity area, and we can move every part of this planet. So here I want to find the camera thing. I forgot where I put all the things. So camera layer, camera base, render camera. Okay. So I want to experiment with this camera right now. Render camera has zoom ratio. Okay. So what if we change this zoom ratio? Okay. For example, I want to emphasize it to see the results. So I'll put it as 2 and save the layer, save the scene. Let's hit play to see if it works. Yes, let's click the arcades. Yeah, it is 2x right now. Okay. By the way, I think there's something changing the camera zoom rate, because it's not 2x right now. It became the default. By the way, in the beginning it was 2. It was very close. So let's check the scripts I added here. I absolutely don't remember what I did here. So I will check. Okay, I already put, really cool. So I already put many settings here. Zoom min and zoom max. Okay, so I need to just add a shortcut kind of feature to change these values to make it wide angle or a narrow angle. So here, actually, I have many live stream videos in the playlist called live stream. You can check the previous videos if you want to know about my framework, the framework I made for current and future games. So this is the base of that framework. Actually, I have a camera control which controls the camera movement and follows the objects in the game. So here I have these values to be updated when I hit a button. So let's the code view here. Okay. So I have input control that controls the keyboard and mouse clicks. I'll add a channel to input control and I will register that from this camera control, hopefully. So let's open the home scene. Let's keep it as is. I don't want to save it. Welcome, guys. Welcome. So where is the input control? Where are you? Input control. Intro scene, loading scene, home scene. So weird. Where's my input control? Couldn't find it. So I'll check the gameplay scene again. Input control. By the way, I had a background music, so let me open it. So I don't want the video be too boring for you. Okay, this is game layer, level setup, game objects. Where are you, input control? Where are you? Where are you? Main game control. So it should be in home screen. Actually, we have main game control here. Yes. UI. Info, spaceship. I remember somewhere I put all the controllers together. Okay, I'll check here. Maybe I don't even have an input control. Okay, I have. I see that get component input control. I see is UI control. Okay, input control is inside UI control. Okay, whatever. Let's just find input control script here. Key C. Do we use key C here anywhere in the script? I think we don't use it. I'll try to find it. Aha, we use it for crystal collection. Crystal collecting, okay. So what if key O? Okay. This is gonna be okay for using. Oh, okay. So here, normally I added a feature to recover spaceship when we play testing the game. So here I will get camera control from here. So I don't remember where I put it. SMSG dot main game control. SMSG dot probably I should have camera control here. Okay, I have camera control. Okay, so I'll call SMSG dot camera control toggle camera angle. Okay, we need to add this. We need to add this to camera control. Come here, camera controls. I will just add this function somewhere. Maybe I can put it just below. Here is set comp data. Okay, we can put it here. So when we just hit O, it will toggle this thing. We need to define a super simple variable We can define something on load. This dot camera wide equals false. Okay, camera. Okay, we can call this just as camera wide. So I will go there. Camera wide equals not camera wide. Okay, this is gonna just toggle the thing. If this dot camera wide, then something else something. Hey guys, welcome. I want to add a shortcut to this game, SpaceKraft, to let us to record videos easily. Okay, so I want to switch the camera view to wide and narrow angle. Otherwise, we are unable to cut the view after we recorded video. So people on Steam page don't understand this game. So I want to make it clear for visitors. If this is on wide mode, we need to change the camera zoom minimum and maximum. Okay. I'll just copy this, guys, because I don't remember everything. Okay, let's put it here. Oops. Yeah, zoom minimum equals to this dot zoom minimum equals to I want to zoom out, so let's try 0.5. Okay, and I'll set zoom max to the same 0.5. Otherwise, we need to restore the original values, 0.1, 0.5 and 1.3. I'll save this, and I also will save toggle camera angle feature in input control. So let's see. Hope it works. Yes, hit play. Let's go for same level. Hit O. Yeah, it becomes wide angle. Oh yeah, it's cool. I really like this. Super cool, isn't it? And look at that, the smooth transition. So cool. Guys, we can make this feature the final game, in the final game, because that looks awesome, isn't it? It looks really cool. What do you think? Oh, really cool. So I like this feature. We can go a little closer. Go this way. I think we put the TNT box into the orbit. Oh, it's just become a slingshot going to space. So let's catch it too. I think maybe we can put this on the surface without exploding it, right? Oh, here is very rough surface, so we need to find flat area. Can I put it here? Let's look a little bit closer. This is really tough, not easy. You should try it. Oh. It's super dangerous. Okay, okay. Come. Yeah. Guys, I'm a pilot, okay? So you should try. It's really hard to do. It looks maybe it looks easy, but it's not. Okay, cool. So I did it. So we added a camera zoom out feature. So the next one, I want to make camera static when I hit some other button. By the way, maybe we should just change these shortcuts to different shortcuts, because these, I don't know, these keys are used for something different. For example, here we have M for map and R for radar. P is empty, so we can use P, O and P. Okay, let's make P to make camera static, okay? So I will copy and paste this and toggle camera static, okay? Toggle camera static. So I'll go to camera control and make something like this. Oops. Oh, I just copy and paste it. So I'll toggle camera here. So I need to define this guy here. Doesn't work as I expected. So yeah, I do it manually. Static. Normally it will be just dynamic camera, right? Let's go here and do the same thing, but for camera static. And we are gonna change these values. Actually, not these values. We need to implement different kind of logic here. So I need to find what moves the camera. Probably on late update, yes. Update camera, follow position. This is dynamically set. So update camera, follow position, follow rate, is follow motion, exponential. I don't remember anything because I made most of the I wrote these codes at least 4 years ago. So this is the resurrection of this game. But I believe it. Yes, I believe it. If you support this channel, actually, if you wishlist this game, I'm sure I can buy an airplane after I release this game. So I promise, guys, if you support this game, so I will buy an airplane for myself. No worries. So I'll buy it. I'll buy an airplane and fly with it, okay? I'm not joking, I'm serious. So we need to do something here. Pop. Background layer. Oh. Camera thing. Okay, maybe just we can return here if camera static, if this dot camera static, just return, don't update. Yeah, we just toggle camera static bool, and it will just cancels the camera update function. So let's try. Let's go same level. Okay, I will try it. So I'll just go there. I'll just wait here. I want the camera static. Oh, P is pausing the game. O is running, but P is pausing the game. So we choose the wrong keyboard. Yeah, key input. Let's define a reasonable key shortcuts for these features. Okay, so I will use F8, F7. I can use F9, F10, F11, and F12. So first, I need to define keys that we are going to use. Okay, one more. So I'll add 9, 9, 10, 11, F12. Okay, yes. So same for here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8, 9, 10, 12, 11. Good, good, good. We are good. So here we need to add something to on key down feature. If key code, okay. Yes, we can just go the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4. F8, F9, F9. So I'll remove functions. Okay, F9, F10. What's going on? F11, F12. On key up. Actually, I don't have to handle everything. I don't need to handle key up event. So I'll just use this. P, toggle camera static. I'll remove this. It doesn't work as I want. So put it F10. So I'll use toggle feature to F9. Okay, F9, F10, 11, 12. Let's save this and let's go. Let's go try it. Go arcade, go. Hey everybody, welcome. I'm making games for more than 5 years, and this game is my first game. This is the first game I ever made in my life. I started 5 years ago. I stopped because of some reasons, and now after 5 years, I gained a lot of experience about making games. So I refocused on this project to complete it, hopefully in a few months. So check links in the description. So I have a Steam page alive, and we have the demo here. If you want to test this game by yourself, please check links in the description. Go download this demo. So you can add to your wish list, and that would be huge support for me. and also for you because I'm making Cocos Creator and other engine tutorials. Actually, I'm making game development tutorials and sharing all my experience here. So thank you for your support and thank you for joining me here. Yeah, so we need to test. First, I will test F9, which will make this wide angle camera. So F10 to static camera, okay? Wow, look at this. That looks awesome. So, yes. So this is the goal, yeah. So, for example, we want to record videos. Sam Edward, how create pause in a game with clickable buttons. Actually, I did it in SpaceKraft here. Uh, this is really actually there is no regular way to do this in Cocos Creator, at least as I know. So I made custom functionality to pause all the game logic. For example, I normally this is a JavaScript based engine, you know. So here, just let me show you how it works because this is a very important question. Thank you for asking this. So here I have a function that pauses all the updates in the game. Okay, so let me show you. Pause node 3. So I made a function that's called pause node 3. And look at this. I just want to make it larger to easy to see for you. So here, actually this function traverses all the node tree in the project and actively running nodes. So this is a recursive function, goes for each children, okay? So here, actually this is Cocos Creator 1.9.3. This is an older version. I will check new versions of Cocos Creator very soon when I started to update this game, hopefully very soon. So it may change, but the general logic should be same. So I here go to director and get scheduler and pause target. This I think this should be pausing some engine updates, but it doesn't stop the component update. Okay, probably it should be. I think it should be pausing scheduled functions. Okay, this should pause scheduled functions, and this part also stops the update functions of my nodes. So as you can see, I put an old update field here, and I will put the current update method to here. Then I will just make update function as an empty function. You cannot make this null because it's being called each update frame, but you can put an empty function that returns nothing. So I did same thing for late update, and all the logic is updated in update or late update in my game. So this is the way how I pause everything. Actually, you can make some layers. For example, you can make some layers and you can register some nodes to that layers. You can pause game logic, but you may still keep the UI and other animated stuffs running, as I did here. So let's show you. Let me show you the idea in action. So here, let's go same level. You can see just if I hit escape, it just pauses. But all the animations, all the stuff is still working. If I had another layer of animation, maybe UI animations, UI logics, so that should be still running, okay? Yep. So yes, I just want to see the camera feature in action. So I want to make it static. Oops, static. Okay. So I want this frame, okay? So for example, I want to record a GIF that way, and I want to keep the camera static here. So I can record any kind of thing from now on. I can make it wide angle and make it static. So you're welcome, Sam. So thanks for asking questions. Yeah, this was what I want to achieve, because yeah, now I can record different perspectives of this game. Yeah, F9 makes it wide angle, and the other thing makes it static camera. This video will be available on YouTube after the live stream. Yes, of course. Yes, yes. Yes, Fractal. I will keep it available on the channel, but if you want to check other live streams, you can check the playlist I named live stream. So actually, these live streams are not super enjoyable for regular people, regular gamers, but I know it's very important for developers, and the guys wants to learn how to make games. So if you want to go in depth, you can just follow my live streams. This week I'm planning to release several devlog videos. They will be much more compressed and much more enjoyable for gamers, or just want to get information but not that much deep. So please subscribe to the channel to not miss that videos. Yeah. So actually, I really like this. Let's catch this box. Come. I think it just. Oh yeah, gravity pulled it down. So actually, I couldn't make it to the orbit. Maybe I can put this here. Make a lot of videos with Great Cocos Creator Engine. Yes, I really love Cocos Creator. You are right. I will do it. Oops, I lost this TNT also. Yeah, Cocos Creator I really like. It's a great engine. Actually, I worked on Unity in the last 2 years because we made many hyper casual games. Maybe you know, I'm co-founder of Cracker Studio. So we made more than 100 hyper casual games, and we worked for hyper casual publishers. Publishers have their own SDKs for Unity, so we had to switch to Unity. But this is not down for me. Actually, I brought what I did in Cocos Creator in this game in SpaceKraft to Unity. I used the same code base actually. Now I'm making much sophisticated framework on Unity. So the next step can be, if you like, we can bring some important features I made there to Cocos Creator. So we can make, actually, recent I am working on AI, NPC AI feature in this framework. So maybe if I get good attention on this game on Steam, I want to add some NPCs into this game, and make this game more living. Normally it's not easy to make, but if you use behavior trees, which I learned in the last month, that becomes quite easy to do. Yeah, so I really like this, and I think this is all for this session. If you have questions, we can make a QA session, or I'm planning to finish this live stream in a few minutes, guys. By the way, just let me shout out about this game. Here is Steam page. Please go check links in the description and you can download demo. It's available. You can play. I think you can play 45 minutes, maybe more than 30 minutes, because getting used to controls are not super easy, and you can replace some levels. And I bet you will like it until after you get a bit used to controls. And if you like, please add this game to your wishlist. So that will help me to keep my motivation high and release more videos and make more videos. Maybe we can make games together, because all the things I'm working on from now on is reusable things. For example, I'm making a framework and I will use it on next maybe 5, 10 games. Maybe all feature projects will be using that kind of framework. So I'm serious about making games. I can say that. Okay. So this is SpaceKraft. By the way, we have another game. Completely different kind of game. Probably you like it. Let me show you. This is Hellcome. This game is the project we are working on with a small team in Cracker Studio. Normally, I told you we made many hyper casual games, and we decided to make bigger projects after a certain point. So this is the first big project that we started to make, and demo is also available. Links in the description. You can check the links. So here is multiplayer game, and multiplayer is a bit challenging for us in the beginning, but I think we solved it 90%. And game looks okay. Game works okay. So if you like it, please add it to your wishlist, guys. This is a huge support for us. And if you are a game dev, motivation and momentum is extremely important, because nobody is telling us to make that kind of games, and we just believe that we can make some dream to a real thing, and we just decide to work on it, and it's not easy to keep that motivation all the time. So please support these games, and please subscribe this channel if you want to see more information about this. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining me in this super cool episode. So please subscribe to the channel, get notification when I released other videos, and I suddenly may go live. So I love you. See you. Bye bye. So take care.